We're doing, I think, multiple studies. Starting off with fraction, equivalence, and adding. Subtracting. Now, I'm sure we already did subtracting, so we're going to skip that. But this one is, I think, two different examples. So we're going to get 52 56ths minus 34 56ths equals 18 56ths. I'm gonna convert the numerators into actual numbers. I'm gonna have to regroup since I can't subtract, since I can't take away a 4 from 2. I'm gonna convert that 5 into a 4 and convert that 2 into a 12. Turn that into an 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. That gives me 18. Convert that into a fraction, and I get 18 56ths. Next example. This is simplified. 5/3 minus 2/3. This one, a lot of people know it's 1. But a lot of people prefer saying 3/3 instead of 1. Or they might say both. I don't know. Now we're adding 58 100ths plus 2/10. I'm going to convert that 2/10 into 20 100ths since it's equivalent and the denominator needs to stay the same. I'm going to convert 58 100ths into 58, then add 20. That will give me 78. Convert the 78 into a fraction. 78 100ths will be my final answer. Next up, I have 64 92. 64 over 92. Today I'm gonna find equivalence, so that I got the 64 and the 92 set on the paper. Now, if I want to find an equivalent fractions, I might multiply it. I might divide it. The number I am using to multiply is 2. I'm gonna convert that by doing 64 plus 64, which is 128, and 92 plus 92, 184, since I am multiplying it by 2, and I'm adding it. And now that will give me 128 over 184. So that will give me 64 over 92 is equivalent to 128 over 184. Next up, we're doing these models. So 5/3 minus 2/3. I know we did this the last example, but now we're going to do it with a model. Remember, I said the answer was 1, but I'm going to use a model to prove that. So I got the 5/3 set up, and then I'm going to subtract 2 of the 5/3. Sorry if my finger's in the way. The 2/3, I'm going to subtract them. That will leave me with one whole model, aka 3/3. Now I'm going to use a number line. I'm sure for anybody that's still doing like basic arithmetic, this is mathematics. I bet you are learning mathematics now. So I got the 6/10 minus 4/10. That will give me 2/10. A way I can prove it is using this number line. Let's craft a number line. I'm going to plot the number line at 6/10. I'm going to subtract 1/10, 2/10 to make it faster, and then 1/10. And plot the number line and where I'm left off, which will be the difference, and that will leave me at 2/10. So I have just proved that 6/10 minus 4/10 is equal to 2/10. That's it for the video.